Let's make a dog balloon. Secure the end of your balloon to the tip of the balloon pump and hold your fingers down so that it doesn't come off of the pump as you pump up with air. Make sure you pinch and hold before you remove the balloon from the pump, just like we did here. Then you're going to pinch a couple inches down and give yourself a little tail so that you can tie off the end of the balloon like this. Now the other end of the balloon right here should remain partially unfilled and have a little tail like that. Now in making your twists, you always twist in the same direction. So here we're going to make our first twist, right hand towards yourself, left hand away from you, just like this. Perfect. Now we are going to go ahead and do the sandwich method. So you're going to sandwich over just like this, make a fold, and another twist. Left hand away, right hand towards you, and twist that a bunch of times. And now you have the dog's nose and ears. Another bubble, right hand towards you, left hand away. So now we have another bubble and another sandwich. So you're going to fold it over like this, about that big, and another twist. Left hand away, right hand towards you. Perfect. Now your dog's first half of the body is complete. So let's go ahead and make the belly. So one more bubble, just like we've been doing before. Perfect. And one more sandwich. You'll fold it over, leave about that much room at the end. Do another twist in the same direction that we've been doing the whole time. And now you have a complete dog. There's his little ears, his nose, the body, the tail, and the legs. Good job, you made a dog.